Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 28, 2025 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 28, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 28, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, May 28, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 28, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.